Hi, this is Jose with Hair Transplants of Florida. I'm the patient director for Dr. Samuel Bada, our board-certified cosmetic surgeon who specializes only in hair transplant. Today I wanted to talk to you real quickly about how difficult it's gotten to choosing the right hair doctor for your hair restoration process. As you know, the FUE has made a big comeback. We offer both the FUE and the FUT strip surgeries. And however, two companies, NeoGraft and the Artos, which are two of many tools that are used for the FUE method, have sold their machines to everybody. They've inundated the industry by selling their machines to everybody, and we're all for free enterprise. Hey, we live in the best country in the world, where you can, out of nothing, you can build your business and reach whatever goals you have in mind. However, we also feel it's very irresponsible selling it to a lot of non-hair specialists. There's a lot of plastic surgeons who do breast, lipo, facelift, and they're now getting involved in hair, have no experience, don't attend any conferences yearly to learn and keep up with methods, and they're allowing technicians to do full surgeries, increasing their profits while they're doing breast jobs next door. So I wanted to mention that to a lot of folks that may be out there looking to find the right doctor, is be very patient, beware, because you want to do this surgery with somebody that specializes. And in most cases, you will know somebody specializes in hair when they offer both methods, okay? Because obviously the FUT is a little bit more invasive, so it really takes more time of the surgeon being with you. So you, when an office only offers the FUE, ask a lot of questions, because chances are you're going to get a doctor that started doing the FUE, lets their technicians do the full surgery, they increase their profits, but you're having a technician do your full hair surgery, which is a big no-no. So if you have any questions, you can reach us at 855-855-4310. Our website is hairtransplantsoflorida.com. Our clinic, we have the heart of a teacher. We focus more on teaching a patient instead of selling them, and that's why we're very proud to be representing a surgeon like Dr. Samuel Bada and our team that is very experienced. So any questions, give us a call. We're here to help. Take care.